Welcome to my channel. So today topic is normality. So first, what is normality? What are the useful relations? Important in this. So normality. It is denoted by N, capital N. Normality means the number of gram equivalents present per liter of the solution is called normality. So what is normality? The number of gram equivalents present per liter of the solution is called normality. If small n gram equivalents present in V liters of the solution. Okay. If n gram equivalents present in V liters of the solution, then the relation is capital N equal to small n by capital V. So in this, capital N is what? Normality. N equal to what? Number of gram equivalents. And V equal to what? Volume of solution. So it is taken in liters. So it is equation 1. Next, capital N equal to, the volume is taken in milliliters. So N by V into 1000 in ml. Equation 2. So in this, small n equal to what? Number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. That is the n value. Okay, it is third equation. So the n value, third equation, it is substitute in second or first. If n equal to n by v into 1000, so n value substitute in this, w by GEW, weight by gram equivalent weight, into 1000 by V in ml. Okay, it is fourth equation. Next, if the weight calculation is given, so what is the formula? W equal to N into GEW into V by 1000. It is equation 5. Okay, so weight calculation purpose, what is the formula? N into normality into gram equivalent weight into volume of solution by 1000. Next, if volume is given, volume calculation is given, V equal to what? Weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by N. It is equation 6. So last class, molarity calculation purpose, some formulas, important formulas given, right? So in molarity, percentage is given, specific gravity is given, and density is given. Some important relations already I told. So in this, same related relations are there, but molarity, normality, what is the difference? In molarity, gram molecular weight is taken. In normality, gram equivalent weight is taken, right? So based on that, any percentage is given 2 times in volume. For example, weight percentage is given. So normality equal to W by capital W percentage into density into 10 by gram equivalent weight. It is 7th relation. Next, N equal to weight by weight percentage into specific gravity into 10 by gram equivalent weight. 8th one. Okay. In weight percentage place, weight volume relation is given. So how to write the formula? Small n, capital N equal to weight by volume percentage into 10 by gram equivalent weight. So these are the important relations in normality, right? Next, what is normal solution? Next point. Normal solution. Normal solution means 1 gram equivalent present in 1 liter of the solution. That is called normal solution. If N equal to 1, V equal to 1. Then capital N equal to, what is the formula? N by V, that is equal to 1 by 1. So equal to 1n solution. So it is normal solution. Once again, definition is what? Definition is 1 gram equivalent present in 1 liter of the solution. Then capital N equal to N by V, that is equal to 1 by 1, 1n solution. Normal solution, 1n solution. Deci-normal solution, 0.1n solution. Centi-normal solution, 0.01n solution. Milli-normal solution, 0.001n solution. Semi-normal solution, 0.5n solution, or 0.1n, or n by 10, or n by 100, in this, or n by 1000, in this, n by 2. So it is normal solution concept. Next topic is, more than 2 solutions are given. So what is the relation between first concentration N1 and the second concentration N2 relations? It is important in calculation point of view. So in these 3 cases are there. Case 1, solution 1 is taken, solution 2 is taken, solution 1. So solution 1 is titrated with solution 2. Solution 1 is titrated with solution 2 to form one solution. Okay. In this solution, the first solution, we know the first solution concentration. We don't know second solution concentration. So how to calculate N2? Sometimes N1 we don't know, N2 is given. So how to calculate? Sometimes V1 is given, V2 is not given. V2 is given, V1 is not given. So this type of relations are there. So in this, solution 1, solution 2. Solution 1 is titrated with solution 2. Then what is the relation? So solution 1 concentration is N1 and volume V1. Solution 2 N2 volume V2. Then N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. It is the first case or first relation. Case 2. In this, solution 1, solution 2, number of moles not involved in second case. In molarity, number of moles involved, because what is the definition of molarity? The number of moles of solute present per liter of the solution. But in this, the number of gram equivalents present per liter of the solution is called normality. So that's why in this, number of moles not involved in this. So that's why case 2 relation is also same. N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. Next, case 3. In case 3, solution 1, it is mixed with solution 2 to form mixed solution. So then the resulting solution normality is what? So that is equal to capital N equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay, so 3 relations in this. Next, so next one, based on strength. Based on strength. These are 3 cases. First case, acidic strength. Acidic strength. That means solution 1, solution 2 is taken. Solution 1 is acid, solution 2 is base. So solution 1 is more strength than B. That means acid strength is more compared to base. So based on that, 3 relations. So first, acidic strength is more. Second case, basic strength is more. Third one, both are equal. Neutral strength, neutral solution. So in acidic solution, NaVa is greater than NbVb. Then H plus concentration equal to NaVa minus NbVb by Va plus Vb. Okay, next, basic strength. Basic strength solution or basic solution. Okay, so in basic solution, relation is what? NaVa is less than NbVb. Then OH minus concentration equal to NbVb minus NaVa by Va plus Vb. Okay, next, neutral solution. In neutral solution, NaVa equal to NbVb. Okay,